Alright, so we made it over here. This is the Blazer. It's a 91 flavor. We've got Weld Racing 17 by 10 wheels with 35 12.5 17s. I love these tires. And I love this freaking Blazer. And I've got way too much money in this Blazer. But here we are. So, I will be taking out the engine today. And I'll explain why here in just a minute. So anyway, we've got this. This is a 79 block with heads off of a 91. So the TBI heads, TBI intake with the 4.3 TBI. And it runs, it just doesn't run great. So I've got a new radiator, I've got pistons, new bearings, new rear main, different heads, a different intake, and I also have a carburetor to put on this thing. So I've got some work to do. So the front clip's gonna come off first, and we'll get it. It's just me by myself today. I don't know how long this will take, but it'll take a minute, I'm sure. So I'll pick up with you here in a little bit. Okay, so we're working on front. This is undone. Radiator's undone. About to pull the radiator out as soon as I can find some wire cutters because of my electric fans. Let me know if you guys want to see like a full in-depth like build sheet basically. I'll go through everything I had to use to get this to work, everything I recommend you use instead of the stuff that I used, and I can also kind of give you a general idea of where to put things because it was a guessing game for us. But I mean, yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see that. It's difficult by yourself, but we're getting there. So I might set you guys up for a little time lapse for just a few minutes, and I'll pick back up when I get this radiator out. Okay, radiator out. It's gonna be a pain, to say the least, I think. For multiple reasons. Numero uno being, finagle my problem. Maybe. Battery tray out. Now, I can, if you can name something correct that I want to show you. Sorry to say you guys, I'm not the biggest heavy guy. I'm going to take this harness out, get it out of the way. We're going to pull the front core support off, and then we're going to start taking front accessories off and get to where we can yank this thing out. So that should be fun. So we got here AJ. He's got some behind the scenes stuff that he's recording right now, so I'll put his channel down below. But we're pretty close to getting this thing out. Pretty much we've got engine mounts and transmission bolts, and then the others, the driver's side header, and my steering rack. And then we can yank it out. So I think the biggest problem is going to be the transmission bolts, because those were a pain to put in, even with the 3-inch body lift. Now, don't get me wrong, it does help quite a bit, but it still sucks. So,
Who also decided to make header bolts so hard to access?
Chevy did. Well, I can't blame Chevy because these are Patriots. So I blame Patriots.
Header bolts are still in the same place.
Well, I know that, but the way you route your headers is, you know, it makes it more difficult. So I blame Patriot for that one.
Yeah, why can't all headers just go straight down and then out?
Oh yeah, if you're wondering, it makes 0 sense. But these are 2-wheel drive Patriot headers, and I have a 3-inch body lift, and it fits perfectly. The 4-wheel drive ones that my kit came with did not fit whatsoever. Like, there was no way to make them fit. So I know it doesn't make sense, but if you guys are looking for information on a swap like this, 2-wheel drive Patriot headers. Don't know why they work, but they work fine. So, guys, my wonderful wife has brought me all of my car parts. So we're gonna do a little car part opening, I guess you can say, and we'll go through the stuff, and I'll tell you what I got, and we'll go from there. So we'll start out with the radiator.
Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna do some parts opening. He's also filming the exact same content for his channel, so you'll see the same thing twice if you watch both videos. But of course.
Oh no, this is the Summit box.
This is the Summit box?
Yeah.
So where's the
Okay.
radiator?
Everything I got from Summit should be in the same box. Okay, so I guess we'll start with this.
Okay.
And we'll just film it twice, I guess.
That's fine.
Okay, what we got here? I love it when I open stuff and the box is open, and I'm sure it's in the bottom of this gigantic freaking box somewhere. I think those are rod bearings. Yeah, these are main bearings, just standard main bearings.
Alright, so if you get the part number 171000, it comes with nothing in it.
No, they're in the bottom. So there's main bearings.
Main bearings.
Pistons?
Gaskets.
Gaskets. Yay! The best thing in the whole box. Stickers!
Plus 25 horsepower. Actually, there's 2 stickers. The big one's 50. Small one's 25.
The seal power, there should be, what's the word I'm looking for?
Pre-gapped?
Pre-gapped, yeah.
Yeah, this is plus 75 horsepower. This is sticker sheet.
No way. Okay, so you know when you go O'Reilly's and you buy like an oil pan gasket that comes in this box. Description: 2 cylinder head gaskets, 2 intake manifold gaskets, 1 intake manifold front seal, 1 rear seal, 2 intake manifold restrictors, 2 exhaust manifolds, 2 exhaust manifold ends, 2 exhaust manifold centers, valve covers, valve stem seals. Holy crap.
The whole all of it. The whole motor gasket.
Oil pan left, oil pan right, oil pan front.
Timing cover,
front seal,
rear
rear
main.
seal, drain plug, shaft retainer, timing cover seal, rear main seal, fuel pump mounting plate.
All the oil pan.
All the oil, water pump mounting, water pump cover. Holy crap.
Fuel pump.
In this tiny box.
Look at this. And it comes with fuel pump for mounting and the plate.
$50, by the way. And it is Velcro, so, you know. Let's just look at
The manifest.
350 coated piston set, premium piston ring set, rod bearing set, main bearing set, and engine gasket set. The coated pistons, I got 8 of them. They're hyperkinetic coated pistons. They're just stock bore because this motor isn't bored, nor is it getting bored. $165. You can't go wrong. It's all Summit brand. The pistons are anyway. And so are the. What else else did I get that was Summit brand?
These.
Bearings? I think, yeah, the main bearings and the rod bearings, I think, were Summit brand. I'll open it right there.
Opening. Oh, that's dope.
So we have nice, shiny flat tops. Standard bore flat tops. They are 4-valve relief. Obviously, the 350 is only 2-valve. But it's not going to matter. It's going to make more horsepower regardless. I could not find Summit brand with only 2-valve reliefs for a 350. It was like impossible. Please don't put it in press fit. The only sad part is they are press fit, so that'll be fun. But yeah, just some flat tops because in '79 they had dished pistons, so you make less compression, you make less horsepower, just a whole bunch of emissions crap. So we got flat tops.
Is that a 79 block?
It is a 79 block, and with 91 heads on it.
Is that where the heads that you're getting from?
No. So I can't remember the year the heads at Tecos are, but they are just stock 882s. So they're just the stock heads that came on 80s model 350s, but they'll be fine for what I'm going to use it for. I'm not out here trying to make 500 horse. So now for the freaking
Big radiator box, I guess?
big radiator box.
Oh, God. Parts manifest.
Parts manifest. You know. Going through my parts. It hasn't shipped yet, but it says Tuesday to Saturday this week, sometime this week.
For what?
The muffler for the Ford, the tractor. What do we got here? Guessing fans. Shroud.
If I get hungry, I'll come in and eat. We're filming content right now, so.
Oh yeah, you know it's good. Made in China.
Huh?
What are you doing down here?
He's been down here like the last hour.
Yeah, he's been down here.
I think he followed.
I'm gonna get to your TV.
I think he followed Brandlin and Boo down here.
Yeah.
Go home. You better get home. Go. Get out.
Oh yeah, so we got shroud
And
fans.
And it comes with the shroud. Nice.
Yeah, I already knew. I knew it came with a shroud.
I hope that's something you actually do.
Oh yeah. That thing, that radiator, it doesn't cool worth a crap. Oh, these are 80-watt fans. Those are 60s. So even more cooling power.
Oh, nice and shiny that is.
Nice and shiny. 80-watt fans, two 12-inch fans.
With a
And they're
shroud.
already bolted on there, so you don't have to do literally anything.
And they're shrouded already.
They're already shrouded. All you gotta do is just hook them up. So that's the shroud.
That's awesome.
Also, this radiator is it's the same exact size as the stock radiator. It's just a 3-core instead of a 1-core. So it's just a little deeper. Has more cooling capacity, and it is actually for a Blazer with a V8 swap. So if you are looking for something of the same thing, all you have to do is go to eBay and type in your year model, and so like say you have a 87 S10, but it's not a Blazer, you can just type in 87 S10 V8 swap radiator, and one of these should pop up. I paid $200.69 for this.
Nice.
3-core aluminum radiator with a shroud and fans. shipped for free. And this one is much beefier than the stock. Because what was in it was the stock 4.3 radiator. And it does, it cools it, but it doesn't do it very well. Oh yeah. Big radiator, much thicker,
Nice aluminum.
and it's aluminum. So that'll be nice.
Holes for the frame shroud and everything.
Yeah, it's already got the holes drilled for the shroud and everything. That's actually really nice. I wasn't expecting a whole lot, but it even has my trans cooler, so it comes with all that. So I definitely do recommend this one. This one I like.
I guess you could just bolt this wherever you want on the
Yeah, we can
on the
just
core
use that.
support.
That way I don't lose it. But yeah, I recommend this. Absolutely. I will actually get into it when I get this running and driving and see how cool it actually keeps it. But considering it's a 3-core, I think we'll be a lot better off than the stock. So this has been your
Parts manifest.
manifest for what's going in this thing. And like I said before, if you guys want to see what all I used, let me know in the comments and we'll go through and just do everything.
Full build breakdown.
Full build breakdown.
We'll put these back in there if you want.
Yeah, put these where they need to be. I need those. And I'm probably, on my channel at least, whenever we start putting pistons together, I'm gonna go through and actually show you guys how to do it, and putting them in and everything. So
Won't be on my channel. That'll probably be time lapsed on my channel.
yeah, so if you guys want to know like more in-depth stuff, go to my channel. AJ might time lapse a lot of this, but yeah,
I have a
So-
lot of the behind the scenes stuff, like taking the motor off.
yeah, just got the behind the scenes stuff. And we're this far. Basically trans bolt. I got one trans bolt, I think. And then this passenger side engine mount. And she's gonna come out. So we'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit. Alright, so I got home and started editing. And this video is way longer than I wanted it to be. So I'm going to end it a little early than I did in my clips. So this is the end of episode 1. If you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like it. But we'll pick up episode 2 in the morning. I have to go to Harbor Freight, grab a few things. Those piston rings were in fact not pre-filed. So that'll be fun. But anyway, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the morning.